This is the elevator that takes you up to the showroom at IKEA at Bloomington, Minnesota. It's an MEI elevator, but it's maintained by Schindler actually. And right there, that elevator takes you down to the garage, and we already filmed that one. Now we're gonna ride this one. This one takes you up to the store. I'll pause the video when it gets here. And here's the elevator. The indicator's burned out. Oh, they replaced the hardwood floor somehow. Let's go to 2. Looks like the button may be burned out somehow. Oh, there it goes. Just gotta push it harder. 10,000 pounds. Wow. Let's go back down to 1. I'll be back. Get a cab view. It's a very basic elevator, but it's very big though. Here's your floor indicator, innovation buttons. I don't know what types of those switches are. Here at 1, and that's it.